3 ingredients, no oven, no gelatin, and look at that this cheesecake slice is clean like the real deal. Stay with me because the lemon step is the secret that makes it set. Here's the whole magic: full-fat cream cheese, sweetened condensed milk, and fresh lemon juice. That's it, 3 ingredients for the filling. Quick pro tip: cube the cream cheese and let it soften for about 20 minutes. Soft, not melted, means silky cheesecake with 0 lumps. Beat the cream cheese first, all by itself, until it's smooth and glossy. This step is what prevents that grainy texture. Now slowly pour in the sweetened condensed milk. It'll look a little looser at first, totally normal. Here's the key: add the lemon juice. This is what helps the filling thicken and set in the fridge. No eggs, no oven. You're looking for this texture: thick, creamy, and spoonable. Once it looks like this, stop mixing. Spoon it right into your graham crust, then smooth the top. The smoother you make it now, the prettier your slices later. Cover and refrigerate at least 6 hours overnight is even better. This is when it turns from soft to sliceable. For clean cuts, use a warm knife and wipe it between slices. You'll get that bakery-style look every time. Top it with strawberries, berry sauce, or whipped cream. That little pop of fruit makes the richness taste even better. If yours seems runny, it usually means the cream cheese was too warm or it just needs more chill time. Full fat blocks and overnight chilling fix most problems. And that's the famous Philadelphia 3-ingredient no-bake cheesecake: rich, tangy, and crazy easy. For the full written recipe, tips, and variations, check the link in the first pinned comment or head to nobakedessertslab.com.